Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a trending topic that's been making waves on social media, the incredible benefits of castor oil for your skin and face. Now, you might be thinking, isn't castor oil just an old remedy from grandma's cupboard? Well, not anymore. This humble oil, derived from the seeds of the castor plant, is fast becoming a superstar in the world of skincare. And it's not hard to see why. This natural elixir is brimming with fatty acids, particularly ricinoleic acid, a powerhouse ingredient known for its skin-loving properties. Whether it's fighting acne, smoothing wrinkles, or busting hyperpigmentation, castor oil is showing promise in a myriad of ways. So, if you're on the lookout for a natural solution to your skin woes, castor oil might just be the answer. It's gaining popularity for its potential to revolutionize your skincare routine, and we're here to explore why. So, what are the benefits of incorporating castor oil into your skincare regimen? Let's delve into the power of this potent potion. Castor oil is a formidable acne fighter. Thanks to its antimicrobial properties, it effectively battles acne-causing bacteria, helping you bid a long overdue farewell to those unwelcome breakouts. Imagine a world where you wake up to clear, radiant skin each day. That's the magic of castor oil. But the benefits of this versatile oil don't stop there. Castor oil is also a powerful wrinkle smoother. Rich in antioxidants, particularly vitamin E, it combats damaging free radicals, slowing down the signs of aging. It reduces the oxidation of skin lipids, a process often triggered by environmental factors like ultraviolet radiation and pollution. This oxidation can lead to premature aging and the formation of wrinkles. But with castor oil, you can keep your skin looking youthful and glowing. What about hyperpigmentation, you ask? Castor oil is your ally there too. By reducing inflammation and moisturizing the skin, castor oil can help fade dark spots and even out your complexion. Just a few drops of this miracle oil can pave the way to a more balanced and radiant complexion. Last, but certainly not least, castor oil is a hydration hero. Thanks to its emollient properties, it acts as a powerful hydrator. It locks in moisture, keeping your skin soft, smooth, and supple. Picture your skin drinking up all that nourishment, leaving it quenched, rejuvenated, and glowing. So, whether you're battling stubborn acne, trying to smooth out wrinkles, dealing with hyperpigmentation, or simply looking to hydrate your skin, castor oil has got you covered. It's not just an oil, it's a skincare superhero ready to rescue your skin from common woes. Thanks to its emollient properties, castor oil acts as a powerful hydrator, locking in moisture and keeping your skin soft and supple. With castor oil, the power to transform your skin is literally at your fingertips. Now that we know the benefits, how do we incorporate castor oil into our skincare routine effectively? That's the question that's probably on your minds right now. Well, let's get to it. First, as a spot treatment, castor oil proves to be quite the powerhouse. With its antimicrobial properties, it can be applied directly onto those pesky acne spots or areas of hyperpigmentation. Just dab a small amount onto the problem area and let it do its job. But remember to be patient, as natural remedies often take time to show results. So, don't be disheartened if you don't see immediate changes. Good things come to those who wait, and with consistent use, you might just find that castor oil is the missing piece in your skincare puzzle. Now let's talk about mixing. Castor oil can be a little heavy for some, especially if you have oily skin. But fear not, you can blend it with lighter oils like jojoba or almond oil to create a balanced, customized facial oil blend that caters to your skin's unique needs. Mixing also allows you to enjoy the benefits of multiple oils in one single application. A win-win situation, wouldn't you say? Lastly, let's delve into the world of nighttime nourishment. Your skin repairs and rejuvenates itself while you sleep, making it the perfect time to treat it with some castor oil love. Incorporate it into your nighttime routine as a luxurious facial massage oil. As you massage it into your skin, not only are you promoting better absorption, but you're also boosting circulation, which is essential for a healthy, glowing complexion. Just imagine, while you drift off into dreamland, castor oil is working its magic on your skin, fighting off bacteria, reducing inflammation, and locking in much-needed moisture. Sounds like a dream, doesn't it? To sum it up, castor oil can be used as a spot treatment, mixed with other oils for a balanced skincare blend, or incorporated into your nighttime routine for an overnight skin rejuvenation. Incorporate castor oil into your nighttime routine as a luxurious facial massage oil, allowing it to work its magic while you sleep. In conclusion, castor oil isn't just a passing trend. It's a skincare superhero with a multitude of benefits for your skin and face. Let's recap. This versatile elixir is a formidable acne fighter, a wrinkle smoother, a hyperpigmentation buster, and a moisture magician. It's a multifunctional powerhouse that can tackle a wide range of skin issues, making it a must-have in your skincare arsenal. The antimicrobial properties of castor oil make it an effective weapon against acne-causing bacteria. It's time to bid adieu to those pesky breakouts and embrace clear, blemish-free skin. Wrinkles and fine lines? No worries. Castor oil, rich in antioxidants like vitamin E, combats free radicals, slows down the signs of aging, and leaves your skin looking youthful and radiant. Struggling with uneven skin tone or dark spots? Castor oil is here to the rescue. By reducing inflammation and moisturizing the skin, it aids in fading these spots and helps achieve a more even complexion. And let's not forget the moisture magic. Thanks to its emollient properties, castor oil acts as a powerful hydrator, locking in the moisture and keeping your skin soft, supple, and glowing. But the beauty of castor oil doesn't stop there. It's not just about solving problems, but enhancing what's already there. It's about embracing the natural and nourishing our skin with what it truly needs, rather than masking issues with synthetic solutions. So how about we start seeing castor oil for what it truly is? A natural remedy, a skincare superhero, and a testament to the power of nature. Let's embrace it. Let's celebrate it. That's all for today, folks. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more skincare tips and tricks. Until next time, remember to embrace the beauty of natural remedies like castor oil.